Welcome to T7 Trade Labs. In today's video from February 10th, 2020, you will see a little bit from live from our trade room in some trade we had there going, and also show an example of when we release our Fighter. I call it the Fighter, which is our T7 auto entry trade system. We're also making instruction videos for you who subscribe to the room or come and take part of our 14-day free trial in our trading room. And for those who subscribe, you get best settings, testing 2 times a week so you know what settings to use, when to trade and when not to trade. And we very often use our Fighter, the T7 auto entry trade system, some few minutes in the open, and very often we see results of $500, $2,000 up in few minutes, and it's amazing. So watch this and enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Welcome to the T7 Trade Lab. So some really nice trades on NQ after we had a little choppy start. We turned it around. We not only turned it around, we took it from short. We came above the 200. We put it in on longs and gave some very, very nice trades. And now we're still in the trade on E-mini here with about 30 ticks. Already hit first and second target both for 10 ticks, and that was hit just above the 200. We finally got that hit here, and it gave 2.5 points on each contract, first and second contract, so 5 points there. And now you can see as price is still working to the upside, we're just holding for it. So in the NQ this morning, as we come in, we had actually made it inactive here, as we saw that we didn't want to start in the open immediately because it was choppy coming in, and we were interested in only shorts as we were in a clear downtrend. But then we saw that price started coming above, and as it did, we were waiting to see if we could get a possibly long, and we started it to go active again, and we got one loss out of the two here, so not one of these losses at all. And then we came into a long here that got engaged, and you see hitting first and second target, waiting then for the opposite signal, came up here, and yeah, $400 something trade. Then here we didn't have this loss either because I stopped it. I went, no, I'm waiting to see, and it was right here I did that, waiting to see. I want more pullback down to the 200, so we waited, and I turned it on again right here, and it came into another long, giving another almost $500 there on this trade. And then you can see of the continuation, as a strong uptrend, it keeps pushing into the 50 EMA, coming up again, another $300, almost $400. And then we have a good trade coming down to the 100 almost here, the line of 100, and this time another $400 something. See, the next trade then comes in and it pulls back to the 50 there, so it gets stopped out as our automatic trade system. The Fighter will cut the loss, right? So it did that there, and then we have the next trade coming in where it's first target here and goes out break even on the rest. Then we have a nice pullback to the 200, and it comes back hitting first target out with break even on the rest. As you see, the stop here has trailed up to break even, and we get a really nice trade again, another one, those $400-500 trades. And you can see again the last trade into the 30-minute from 8:30 to 9 Central Time US. We have 55, 150, and another 245. And if you take away the two losses we had here, we're up about $2,000, $1,700 to $2,000 plus in 30 minutes on NQ. You saw the trade we show live on E-mini. We were up probably about $500, some $66 on E-mini also this morning. Did not trade crude, as our setting shows that do not trade crude today. So very, very happy with this. More and more people are joining our cause. Our cause is this. Mission is to raise up freedom warrior traders that will become financially free And our second and most important thing is that 10% of our proceed goes to help rescue children from human trafficking. Last year, the ministry we helped, for 2 years now, they've done it actively, and they rescue over 2,000 children. This is a very strong cause, a very strong mission for us. So we want to raise up people to become profitable traders, financial freedom warriors, and to help us rescue more children out of human trafficking. You can join us. Look down below the video and you see that you can have a 14-day free trial now to join us in our live trade room, and you can join us and see how you can become financial free too. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.